The mid-vowel sounds. The mid or central vowels are those in which the middle of your tongue is arched, in the place where the hard and soft palates meet. For each of the vowel sounds, the mid-vowel sounds, your jaw is relaxed and the lips are in a neutral or relaxed position. The vowel sound as in sir or stir. These are represented by many spellings such as birth, sir, hurt, myrtle, attorney, rehearse, courteous, connoisseur, colonel, the same. In fact, colonel is the only word in the English language that is pronounced with an R-like sound, but has no letter R in the spelling. Colonel. So the first mid-vowel sound, the has two accepted standard without R coloring. The tip of your tongue is relaxed behind and touching the lower teeth. The sound is free and forward. Ah, 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 ah. With R coloring, the tip of your tongue is tensed up and over. The body of your tongue is retracted. The sound is tense and back. Ah, ah, ha, ha, ha. Ha, 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 ha.